Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to understand in detail about the word damage. There are different kinds of damage we see all around us. What are those different types of damages which we see? हम लोग अपने आसपास बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसे देखते हैं जो किसी न किसी प्रकार से उनका कोई नुकसान हुआ होता है. वो नुकसान अलग अलग तरीके का होता है. So let us understand them, the main ones, one by one. So the first one we are going to understand is broken. Broken means टूटा हुआ, खंडित, यानी कि the object has been broken into pieces. It is damaged into pieces. But viewers, let me tell you that promises are also broken. यानी कि कस्में वादे भी तोड़े जाते हैं, बट वो टूटना अलग है. यहाँ पे हम फिज़िकली बात कर रहे हैं, फिज़िकल सब्सटेंस की बात कर रहे हैं, एक भौतिक वस्तु की बात कर रहे हैं कि जब वो टूटती है तो ये ब्रोकन कहा जाता है या टूटा हुआ कहा जाता है. जैसे यू कैन सी हियर इन द पिक्चर दैट इट इज़ ब्रोकन. सी दीज plastic planks are broken. So next word is dent. You must have seen in metallic objects, say on the car or on the metallic almirahs. You must have seen these type of dents. These type of dents you must have seen. Now what is dent actually? It is usually seen on metallic surface which has been hit or damaged but not broken. यानी कि ये टूटे हुए नहीं है, ये टूटे हुए नहीं है, ये यहाँ पे आप देख रहे होंगे डिप्रेशन है, यानी कि थोड़ा सा दबा हुआ है. और डिप्रेशन किस वजह से हुआ है? इट हैज़ बिन हिट, किसी चीज़ से चोट लगी है, किसी ने मारा है, कोई एक्सीडेंट हुआ है, उसकी वजह से हमें ये डेंट देखने को मिलता है. सो डेंट मीन्स ये मतलब काटने का निशान है, दबाव है. यूजुअली वी सी दिस टाइप ऑफ डैमेज ऑन मेटालिक सरफेस लाइक कार, स्कूटर, मेटालिक almirahs, etc. So this is dent. Now what is another word? Chipped. Now you see in this picture, this is a cup where the rim has been chipped off of a very small amount. A layer has come out. So chipped जो होता है वो छोटा सा उखड़ा हुआ surface होता है. When a small piece is broken off the object, then it is known as chipped. See, here also you can see this is a furniture and it has been chipped on the side, as you can see. So this is chipped. See, there is another cup which you can see, it is chipped from the rim area. Usually cups which are of ceramics or furniture, these get chipped off. Another word is a crack. Everybody knows about this word. As you can see, this ply is cracked at this place. So this is known as crack. Darar padna, chatakna. In this also it is not broken into pieces, but it is a line appears and we can say the pieces do not separate. See, this piece and this piece has not separated, but you can see a line, a chipped off line, a crack line. This appears at the place of crack. Now the next word is a scratch. Scratch you can see anywhere, on any surface, wooden surface, metallic surface, even on your skin also. During winter seasons you must have seen the skin gets scratched when you scratch with your nails, or you can say when somebody fights with you, you get scratches on your skin. खरोंचे जिसको कहते हैं. These are slight marks on the surface. Now let us move on to another one. You can see rotten, सड़ा हुआ, बासी. अगर कोई सामान है, पका हुआ सामान है, कुक्ड सब्सटेंस, वो rotten हो जाता है. and many other things get rotten. When a food or any substance which becomes old, which is not fresh, or it is not fresh enough to use, we have to throw it out, then that substance is known as a rotten substance. It is rotten. So you can see here there is this leaf which is rotten. Next word is torn. Again, you must have heard about this: tearing, torn, fata hua. Any object is split by being pulled, जब हम खींच कर उसको तोड़ते हैं, ये देखिए, ये हमने पेपर फाड़ दिया, द पेपर इज टॉर्न. हियर यू कैन सी द क्लॉथ इज टॉर्न. जब हमने खींच के इसको फाड़ दिया, देन दैट इज नोन एज टॉर्न. इट इज डैमेज्ड. Let us move on to another one. It is crumpled. Now what does this word crumpled means? Crumpled means सिलवट पड़ना, तुड़ा मुड़ा, मुड़ तुड़ जाना, झुर्रीदार. When any substance is pressed into an untidy shape, this is a piece of paper which has been pressed into untidy shape. जब कोई पेपर यूज़ में नहीं होता है and we want to throw it away, we just crumple it and throw it in the dustbin. Next word is peeled off. You can see this is a wall where the painting, the top coat, the upper coat, the surface coat is coming off. So this is the peeling. This surface has been peeled off. It is getting peeled off. छिला हुआ, निकला हुआ, उखड़ा हुआ. When we remove a thing, आउटर कवरिंग और लेयर, जब भी हम एक थिन पतली सी बाहरी कवरिंग हम निकालते हैं, आवरण निकालते हैं, इट इज़ नोन एज पील्ड ऑफ. व्हेन वी रिमूव अ थिन आउटर कवरिंग, बहुत थिन होनी चाहिए, पतली सी होती है. नॉट ओनली दिस, इवन आवर स्किन ऑल्सो गेट्स पील्ड ऑफ. द ड्राई स्किन, व्हेन इट comes off, the upper thin layer comes off, then also we say that the skin is peeling off. So this is the word peeled off. Now let us move on to another word, stained. Stained means दाग लगा हुआ, धब्बा लगा हुआ. As you can see, it is stained here, it is stained here. There are different, the stain may be due to any tea or coffee or juice or any substance. This is known as stained. Stained means दाग लगा हुआ, धब्बा लगा हुआ. When any substance leaves a mark on another substance, say a surface, a cloth, then this stain, when becomes difficult to remove, the substance is known as stained substance. So usually it leaves a mark which is difficult to remove. So this is known as stained. There are many things around you which get stained. Even utensils get stained due to the masala or turmeric, etc. Now here you can see another substance which appears very dirty. गंदा दिख रहा है, मैला दिख रहा है. जब कोई चीज़ गंदी और मैली दिखती है तो उसको हम बोलते हैं सॉइल्ड. अक्सर आपने देखा होगा कि पुराने कपड़े, द ओल्ड वॉर्न क्लोथ्स, दे लुक वेरी सॉइल्ड. इवन इफ व्हेन यू वॉश इट, इट लुक सॉइल्ड. ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत डर्टी हैं. और या फिर जैसे कभी मिट्टी लग जाती है कपड़ों में या कीचड़ लग जाता है, तो कीचड़ धोने के बाद भी उसमें थोड़ा सा दाग धब्बे लग जाते हैं, तो दैट product is known as soiled. So when we make something dirty, गंदा बना देते हैं, मैला बना देते हैं, it is known as soiled. So I hope you must have understood various words about which are related to damage when harm is done to any object. जब कोई चीज़ ख़राब हो जाती है, नष्ट हो जाती है, उस पर कोई आघात होता है, तो these are represented by different words like broken, dent, chipped, crack, scratch, rotten, torn, crumpled, peeled off, stained, soiled. So you must have understood the difference between these words. So thank you for watching my video. If you like it, do punch in the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Thank you.